Join us today for a private tour as we show off the 4-level, 2-car garage, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath luxury home for you. This gourmet kitchen is straight out of a designer magazine with pendant lighting, recessed lighting throughout. You have stainless steel appliances, a 5-burner range. In addition, quartz countertops with the perfect breakfast bar for entertaining and prep space. And as you are prepping in the kitchen, you'll notice that you back to a wooded retreat. This truly is a chef's dream. Over 2,700 square feet in this luxury townhome. You'll notice the open concept design here in the dining room, which truly gives you enough space for entertaining and large gatherings. The living room is spacious and sun-filled as it naturally streams through this main level. The unique part of this nook, it could be a reading nook, office, or workspace. This main level truly has it all. The bathroom attached to the primary suite has been fully upgraded by the owners with dual vanity, custom tile, a glass surround, and truly a spa-like setting. On the 4th level, you have both functionality and design, where this can be used as an office space, entertaining area, and you have a 2-sided fireplace that can be enjoyed both inside and even outside. Join me as we show you your rooftop deck. Views, comfort, privacy, you get it all here on this rooftop deck. You can see the 2-sided fireplace is already kicking out heat, and I love the view. You can sit here and see the city and skyline of North Arlington as you take in the perfect sunset. Reach out to the Nellis Group today to schedule your own private tour of this gorgeous home located in North Arlington.